Hello, friends, and welcome to Timeless Wisdom. If you've ever looked around your home and wondered, where did all of this come from? You're certainly not alone. Over the years, we tend to accumulate a myriad of items, photos, furniture, knickknacks, and more. These items are cherished memories, of course, but sometimes they can also hold us back. I'm here to assure you that it doesn't have to be this way. For years, I've assisted people like you in simplifying their homes, reclaiming their spaces, and discovering the joy of living with less. Today, I'm excited to share something truly special: 12 practical tips for seniors to embrace minimalism. Whether you're in the process of downsizing, organizing a lifetime of keepsakes, or simply seeking a fresh start, these tips are tailored for you. We'll discuss how to create a safer, more serene home, focusing on what's most important: your health, your family, and the memories you hold dear. If this resonates with you, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and join our community at Timeless Wisdom. Let's embark on this journey together towards a simpler, more fulfilling life. Are you ready to begin? Let's dive in. 1. Define your boundaries. Thoughtfully, as we age, our homes often tell the story of a life well lived, filled with treasures, keepsakes, and memories. But let's be honest, all those items can start to feel overwhelming. Whether you've moved to a cozy apartment, a retirement community, or stayed in your family home, it's time to define what truly belongs in your space. Start by asking yourself, what do I actually use and love? Keep only the clothes you wear regularly, the ones that make you feel comfortable and confident. Instead of keeping every mug or plate, choose just your favorites, like that special coffee mug that warms both your hands and your heart. Next, think about storage. Dedicate one small cabinet or box to sentimental items. This gives you a space to honor your memories without letting them take over your home. And don't forget to let go of duplicates. Two of the same item often means one is just collecting dust. Setting these boundaries isn't about letting go of everything. It's about creating a home that's easier to manage, safer to move around in, and filled with the things that truly bring you joy. 2. Appreciate the beauty of empty spaces. Have you ever walked into a room and felt a sense of calm because it wasn't crowded with stuff? That's the magic of empty spaces. For us seniors, an uncluttered home isn't just easier on the eyes, it's also safer for our bodies. Clear, open areas reduce the risk of tripping or falling, giving you peace of mind as you move through your day. It's tempting to want to fill every shelf, table, or corner. But take a step back and ask yourself, do I really need something here? Empty spaces can be powerful. They give your home room to breathe and make it feel lighter, more open and welcoming. Think of it this way: every empty surface is a little reminder of simplicity and freedom. A clean dining table can become a place for family conversations, not just a spot for mail and magazines. A clutter-free hallway can be a safe path to move through with ease. So don't be afraid to let your spaces stay empty. Embrace the calm they bring and let them remind you that sometimes less truly is more. 3. Make decluttering a gentle habit. Decluttering can feel like a big task, but here's a secret. It doesn't have to happen all at once. Instead, think of it as a gentle, ongoing habit, something you can do bit by bit at your own pace. Start small. Maybe it's a drawer that's become a little too full, or a shelf where things seem to pile up. Spend just a few minutes sorting through it, keeping what you use and love, and letting go of what no longer serves you. One great rule to follow is the one in, one out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, find one thing to donate or recycle. Bought a new pair of shoes? Let go of an old, worn-out pair. It's a simple way to keep things in balance without feeling overwhelmed. And here's the key: focus on areas that truly matter to you. Is it the kitchen, where you prepare meals? The living room, where you relax with family? or your bedroom, your sanctuary. At the end of the day, a little effort each day will keep these spaces tidy, safe, and comfortable without exhausting you. Remember, decluttering isn't a race, it's a journey. Take it slow and enjoy the peace it brings along the way. 4. Prioritize experiences over things. As we grow older, we realize that life isn't about the things we own. It's about the moments we share and the memories we create. At this stage of life, experiences often mean so much more than possessions. Think about it. When was the last time a material object truly brought you lasting joy? Now compare that to the feeling of spending an afternoon with your family, laughing with friends at a club meeting, or enjoying the simple pleasure of tending to your garden. These experiences don't take up space in your home, but they fill your heart and soul. It could be something as simple as a daily walk in the park, a lively dinner with loved ones, or learning a new skill in a local group. These activities bring joy, keep us connected, and remind us of what truly matters. Instead of adding more things to your home, focus on creating moments that leave you feeling alive. These are the treasures that stay with you forever, and the best part, they don't create clutter. So let's embrace the power of experiences. They'll not only enrich your days, but also give you the kind of fulfillment that no object ever could. 5. Practice gratitude. Daily, gratitude is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to simplify your life. When you take a moment to reflect on what you already have, it shifts your focus away from what you think you need. It's a gentle reminder that the richness of life isn't found in possessions, but in the people, moments, and comforts that surround us every day. Start or end your day by thinking about 3 things you're thankful for. It doesn't have to be anything grand. Maybe it's the warmth of the sun streaming through your window, the sound of a loved one's voice on the phone, or the comfort of your favorite chair. These small moments of joy can brighten even the most ordinary days. The more you practice gratitude, the more you'll notice the abundance already in your life. You'll feel less tempted to fill your home with unnecessary items, because you'll realize how much you already have to be thankful for. So take a deep breath, look around, and give thanks for the beauty in your life today. Gratitude doesn't just simplify your home, it enriches your heart. 6. Reflect on your journey. Every journey has a story, and your path towards simplicity is no different. Take a moment to pause and think about how far you've come. Why did you choose to embrace a simpler life? Was it to create a safer, more comfortable home? To feel lighter and less burdened by things? Or to make space for what truly matters, like family, health, and cherished memories? Reflecting on these reasons isn't just a nice exercise, it's a powerful way to stay inspired. Think about how letting go of excess has made your life easier. Maybe you've cleared a cluttered closet and now enjoy the freedom of finding what you need without searching. Or perhaps simplifying your space has made it safer to move around and more inviting for loved ones to visit. By revisiting your motivations, you remind yourself why this journey is worth it. It can also spark new ideas for simplifying other areas of your life. Reflection keeps you grounded, focused, and committed to the joy and peace minimalism brings. So take a quiet moment today to think about your story. You've already made incredible progress. Let that inspire you to keep going. 7. Build clutter-free routines. Living a clutter-free life isn't about grand gestures. It's the little habits you practice every day that make the biggest difference. Small routines can help you maintain a tidy, organized home without feeling overwhelmed or exhausted. Start with something simple, like making your bed every morning. It might seem like a small act, but it sets a positive tone for the day and gives you a sense of accomplishment right away. Next, focus on keeping pathways clear, especially in areas you walk through often, like the hallway or near your favorite chair. This not only keeps your home looking tidy, but also helps prevent trips and falls. an essential consideration for all of us as we age. And before you head to bed, take a quick moment to scan the living room or kitchen. Put away any stray items, fold that blanket on the couch, clear the table, or place books and magazines back where they belong. These small actions take only minutes, but keep your space feeling calm and orderly. With these routines, your home can stay clutter-free with minimal effort, giving you more time and energy to enjoy the things that truly matter. 8. Surround yourself with positive inspiration. Minimalism is a journey that's so much easier and more enjoyable when you feel supported. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can keep you motivated and remind you why you chose this path in the first place. Start by connecting with family or friends who share your values. Talk to them about your minimalist goals and how they've made your life better. You might be surprised to find they're eager to join you in decluttering or simplifying their own lives. If your circle doesn't share the same mindset, don't worry. There's a whole world of inspiration out there. Explore online communities, blogs, or YouTube channels dedicated to minimalism for seniors. You'll find people sharing their stories, offering encouragement, and providing practical tips to help you along the way. Here at Timeless Wisdom, we're building a community where you can feel inspired and supported every step of the way. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Whether it's an online forum or a local group, having others on the same journey can make all the difference. Let's keep learning, sharing, and simplifying together. With the right inspiration, you can keep making progress one step at a time. 9. Make thoughtful choices. When keeping items. As seniors, one of the most meaningful and challenging parts of simplifying is deciding what to do with sentimental belongings. Over the years, we gather so many items tied to memories, gifts from loved ones, photographs, keepsakes from special moments. It's natural to feel hesitant about letting these things go. But here's the key. You don't have to keep everything to preserve the memories. Instead, focus on selecting a few truly meaningful items that bring you joy and reflect your cherished moments. For example, you can create a memory corner in your home, a small space where you display photographs, treasured gifts, or other keepsakes that make you smile every time you see them. Letting go of the rest doesn't mean losing the memories. Those memories live in your heart and your mind, not in the objects themselves. By keeping just the most special items, you give them the attention and honor they deserve without overwhelming your space. This thoughtful approach helps you strike a balance between holding on to what matters and creating a home that feels peaceful and manageable. Remember, it's the stories behind the items that truly count, and those stories will always stay with you. 10. Simplify without sacrificing. Comfort. Minimalism isn't about living with the bare minimum or giving up the things you love. It's about creating a home that works for you and supports your well-being. Comfort should always be a priority, especially as we age. Think about the items in your home that truly enhance your daily life. Maybe it's a supportive chair where you can relax, a collection of warm blankets that keep you cozy, or a bookshelf filled with your favorite reads. These are the things that add value and comfort to your life, and they absolutely deserve a place in your home. At the same time, take a closer look at anything that feels like a burden to maintain. Maybe it's a piece of furniture you no longer use, decorations that collect dust, or gadgets that have outlived their usefulness. Letting go of these items can make your space feel lighter and more inviting. Minimalism is about finding that balance, keeping what you need and love, while letting go of what no longer serves you. When your home reflects your needs and comforts, it becomes a sanctuary where you can truly feel at ease. 11th, share your journey and inspire others. Minimalism isn't just a personal journey, it's something you can share with others, creating ripples of positivity and inspiration. By talking about how simplifying your life has brought you peace and joy, you might encourage someone else to take their first steps toward living with less. Start small. Invite a few friends or family members over for coffee and share your experiences. Talk about how letting go of clutter has made your home safer, your days easier, and your heart lighter. You can even swap decluttering tips or stories of transformation. It's a great way to connect and inspire. If you've created a space you're proud of, take a few photos and share them with loved ones. Show them how simplifying has made your home a place of calm and comfort. And when it comes to sentimental items, consider passing them on to younger generations. Share the stories behind those treasures, where they came from, why they're special, and how they reflect your life's journey. By doing this, you're not just decluttering, you're preserving your legacy in a meaningful way. Sharing your journey doesn't just inspire others, it also strengthens your own commitment to minimalism. It's a reminder of how far you've come and how simplicity can bring people together. 12th plan for a legacy of simplicity. As we age, it's only natural to think about the legacy we'll leave behind. Minimalism offers a unique opportunity to shape that legacy thoughtfully, ensuring the belongings you pass on truly reflect the life you've lived and the values you hold dear. Start by organizing your most important items, photos, letters, or cherished heirlooms. Take the time to label them with notes that share their significance. These stories add depth to your legacy, allowing your loved ones to understand the meaning behind the treasures you leave behind. Consider digitizing important documents and photographs to reduce physical clutter while preserving their essence. A digital collection is not only easy to store, but also simple to share with family members, ensuring these memories are never lost. Creating a simple inventory of valuable or meaningful possessions is another thoughtful step. This will guide your loved ones in the future, making it easier for them to manage your belongings and honor your wishes. By planning for a legacy of simplicity, you not only ease the burden on your family, but also give yourself the chance to reflect on the meaningful chapters of your life. It's a final gift of love, clarity, and intention that your family will always appreciate. Minimalism isn't about giving things up. It's about gaining so much more. It's about creating a life that feels light, peaceful, and filled with purpose. As seniors, we've lived through countless chapters, full of experiences, lessons, and memories. Now is the perfect time to simplify, allowing us to focus on what truly matters: our health, our relationships, and the moments that bring us joy. Remember, minimalism isn't a race or a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a personal journey, and every small step makes a difference. Today, you could start by clearing out one drawer, writing down 3 things you're grateful for, or choosing an experience over buying something new. Progress, not perfection, is the key. Each decision to let go of what no longer serves you brings you closer to a life filled with freedom and happiness. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please subscribe to Timeless Wisdom for more tips on minimalism, decluttering, and living a joyful, intentional life. Let's continue this journey together, one simple, meaningful step at a time. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.